Guys, I'm right now at the museum, and then all these crafts, I think it is so amazing. All these are crafts. Also with this, you see guys, just like the town, a mini town, reflecting the history and culture. That's what I think of that. Guys, look at those guys. 1911 revolution. This is all about the history of the Republic of China and the anti-fascist war. I think it is really amazing, I think. Guys, here it is the history museum. It was so incredible. You see these guys, you see Sun Zhongshan, this guy, I know him. Li Dajiao, all of these are so intoxicating and compelling. Part 4. And here is the Civil War of China. Japan surrendered and then just began the Civil War, the Communist Party and the Communist Party, and then fine. Just sitting right here and have a rest, watching the performance. A nice experience. Guys, I want you to appreciate this landscape of Guangdong. It is really awesome, to be honest. Guys, waiting for the bus. I'm just waiting for the bus. I'm so tired right now.